crazy right now because I have literal eyeliner on my teeth, but kind of looks like it. If you can't tell by the title of the video and this look, today I am doing the iconic Jane Birkin. I really tried to emulate her look. She's one of my biggest style icons and I think she's so beautiful. And yeah, I'm about to get my hair chopped off and back into a short haircut, so I figured this video kind of is now or never, and this is about as close as my hair has ever been to kind of looking like hers. So yeah, I'm excited, and I think this turned out pretty cool looking. I've got like blue contacts and everything, so if you guys want to see how I got this Jane Birkin look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Oh my goodness. Okay, so many things I need to do, like fix this squeaky chair. Anyways, so I just did my bangs. I have a whole video on how I style those if you guys are interested. So I won't include that in this video. But something I do want to add is I put a bunch of mousse in my hair. It's freshly showered, and I'm not even gonna brush it. I'm just gonna split it out down the middle. So my hair is like 80% dry, and so I'm going to take some scrunchies. These ones are actually from a follower who makes scrunchies. She sent me a couple. I'm not being paid for this, but she has such cute scrunchies and they're all handmade. So these are the ones that she sent me. This one has like little daisies on it. This one's just blue, and then this one's like eyelet pink lace, which is really cute. But she's got all sorts of scrunchies. Her name is, I'll put it here, Vala. I don't know how to say it properly, but yeah, she makes all sorts of scrunchies and they're super cute, and I'm sure you could even do custom ones, but I don't know. Anyways, you should definitely go check her out. So moving on, I'm gonna use these ones. I like them because they're cotton. They're like really thick and fabricy. So my hair's split in two, and I'm just gonna take my unbrushed hair because I want it to look really messy. And then I'm just gonna twist them into little space buns. And then secure them in place with the scrunchie. I like using scrunchies because they don't leave rubber band marks. And I'll just do the same with this side. So when I have bangs, as I do right now, I don't even bother like putting makeup on my forehead because it's obviously completely covered up. So I don't put lotion on it either because it gets very greasy. So I just kind of neglect my forehead. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in with some lotion. And this one I really like. It's from Andalou Naturals. It's just a night cream. But again, because my skin's so dry, I use night cream during the day. And I use it in very hefty amounts. I really love the smell of this stuff though. Anyways, I use that. I'm trying to make the switch to like natural beauty just to see if it's like any different or any better, because I've never really done that before. So if you guys are interested in a video on that, comment down below, because I've literally been using all natural products besides deodorant. So could be an interesting video. Another thing I have been adding to my skincare routine is this. It's rosehip oil. It's been helping a lot with moisturization, so I just mix that in, and I also use it as a chapstick. So now that my lotion is pretty much soaked in, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier, what is this called? Perfecting Skin Tint. This stuff is like, I have a whole Glossier video, which I will link below because I'm going to be using a lot of Glossier products today. This stuff is good if you have perfect skin already because it does get rid of redness, I would say, but not like redness that you would get with having pimples, only like the redness you get around your nose and stuff. Like it just, I wouldn't even say it covers anything, it just evens out your skin tone. So, but I like it still. I can always just go in and spot conceal. So just getting my beauty blender wet. Then I'm just gonna go in with my perfecting, oh wait, no. stretch concealer. I have a question for you guys that could be fun. So as you know, I do have a boyfriend. His name is Oliver, and I'm currently living with him and his family post-college life. And he does help me edit my videos from time to time. And I'm just curious because I never say when he does or doesn't edit them. Can you guys tell when I edit them versus when Oliver edits my videos? Comment down below if you can, because I'm quite curious. Also, we made a deal. I'm getting close to 40K, which is even closer to 50K, so thank you guys for that. But as soon as I get to 50K, Oliver said that he would do a boyfriend tag video. I've been asking him to do one for so long, but he's pretty shy. I don't even know if he's shy or if he just really doesn't want to do it. But I really want to, so let's try to get to 50K by the end of this summer. I think that could be a good goal to try to reach. Maybe, I don't know. My channel has been growing kind of slow over the last like 4 years, so I don't know if I'll make it, but who knows? Could be fun. And then I'm just gonna go in with this blush from Glossier. It's in the shade Storm. And I'm using this one because it's a bit more dusty, which I like. Okay, and then I just need to set my face because it's greasy as heck. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder. Now I'm gonna bronze. Very exciting. I'm just going in with my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. This is my favorite bronzer. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite product, as I'm sure you guys know. I'm gonna add some Freckles just to give me that really sun-kissed glow. She's also got very cute freckles. Yes, I do have an affiliate link with Freck. It is the only company that I have an affiliate link with, but I've been using this product for so long. That's probably the reason a lot of you guys found my channel, is because of my fake freckle tutorial. I think it's my most popular video. So anyways, can this drawer freaking stay closed, please? I am gonna take actually my Glossier brow pen in the shade Brown, because like Twiggy and a lot of stars from that kind of time era, she does the little fake eyelashes, but I really like how Jane Birkin does it because she doesn't use black a lot of the time unless she's more dramatic. So I'm gonna use this brown as a kind of brown eyeliner and do the kind of Twiggy eye look with brown. So first I'll start with my bottom lashes, and I'm just gonna start drawing little lines. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move my bangs out of the way and completely relax my eyes and draw crease. Oh my god, that's so uneven. I like this side more. Perks of not wearing eyeshadow. I can just wipe it off. Honestly, just gonna take my finger and kind of smudge it out a little bit, just to make it a little bit softer. And then I'm just gonna take a really tiny brush, my Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm just gonna take this taupey color and use that to darken it a bit. And And then I'm just gonna take the lightest shade from that palette. It's called Blonde. And put that on my lid. And then I'm just gonna take a transition kind of shade and the fluffier end of the brush and blend. Voila! And then I'm just gonna take the lightest shade again and pop that in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some mascara. Last but not least, I'm gonna do my lips. Okay, my hair is not fully dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Sorry, the camera cut off while I was filming my lips, but all I did was just my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and then I went with this Bare Minerals Boss Matte Liquid Lipstick, and then over top I just put this golden kind of gloss from Rimmel. It's in the shade Nonstop Glamour. Yup. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go blow dry my hair dry the rest of the way, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here's the hair. It's looking a little crunchy, so I'm just gonna brush it out. I'm looking at this and I'm deciding that I want to do a cat eye, just a little small one, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. I just feel like my eyes look a little bit naked. I'm gonna do mascara on the bottom too because something's just off here. One last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my top lip darker than my bottom lip with the Glossier Tint because her top lip is darker. Final step is to use my TTD eye contacts. This is in the shade Aquaman Blue, and I do think I have a discount code for this. I think it's just Daisy Tint. I'll be sure to put the correct one on the screen, but I'm just gonna put these in because Jean does happen to have blue eyes, and I have green eyes. They kinda look real. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is the difference. Do I put a gap in my tooth to really mimic her? Could be fun. I might. Whatever, let's try it. Okay, it's coming together now, guys. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Tuesday and Friday at 6 o'clock. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.